Reading is a powerful tool when learning a new language. Not only does it expand your vocabulary, but it also helps you internalize grammar structures and provides ample exposure to natural, real-world language. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, reading a book in your target language is a true milestone. That's why we've created the LingQ Book Challenge. As language acquisition expert Stephen Krashen highlights, reading and listening are the most important activities for learning a language. Reading allows you to build vocabulary faster. Obviously, there are lots of words in a book. Seeing thousands of words in context helps you not only understand and retain their meaning, but cast a larger net when building your vocabulary. Instead of memorizing rules, you'll start recognizing patterns through exposure. Books provide countless examples of certain grammar concepts or sentence structures. You'll notice and internalize the grammar while reading. Books tell stories, inform and inspire, making your learning enjoyable and immersive. Reading is the ultimate means of making language learning an enriching, fulfilling process. LingQ's new book challenge is here to help you stay motivated, build your vocabulary, and enjoy the process of reading in another language. Step 1. Pick your book. Choose a book from the LingQ library or upload your own ebook. Overall, choose a book that interests you. If you decide to import your own book, be sure to tag your content with the word book to be able to select it for the challenge. Step 2. Track your progress. During the challenge, LingQ tracks how much of your book you've read and displays your progress. For those who enjoy a bit of competition, see your rank alongside other participants. Not enjoying your book? That's fine. Pick another one. In fact, consider choosing a book that other challengers are reading in your target language. Once you've read your book, celebrate. It cannot be overstated that reading a book in your target language is a huge feat. Be proud of yourself. Admire your achievement. Afterwards, keep the momentum going and choose another book. Why stop at just one? If you're worried about the challenge of tackling a book in another language, rest assured. LingQ makes reading easier and more accessible. LingQ's tools let you look up new words with a single tap, save words and phrases for future review, listen to audio while reading for pronunciation support. These features remove barriers and help you develop a true sense of flow when reading in your target language. Reading is a sure pathway to fluency, and LingQ's book challenge makes it easy and fun. Join the challenge, climb the leaderboard, and watch your language skills soar. Are you ready? Pick your book and join the challenge. You might surprise yourself with what you can achieve.